Hello, today I'm in BMW X1. In this video I'll show you how to check service info on speedometer display. In the beginning, let's take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, tilt this button upwards or downwards. And now take a look at the speedometer display. Search for service info and press BC button. Now you've got the date of the required service. Also, you can check it in kilometers and the future service. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.